So there are about 12 different specialties in dentistry. The ones that focus on implants and implant dentistry, there are about 3. Oral surgeons who place implants, and periodontists, again, who places implants or who treat failing implants if there's an infection, inflammation underneath the gum line, then it's a periodontist, and prosthodontists. Though general dentists do implants, place and restore implants as well. The ultimate goal is to replace your missing teeth. And the specialty that focuses on replacing missing teeth and the function and aesthetics is prosthodontics, because they have the training, structured training, and they have the credentials to provide this treatment. So if you're interested in getting implant-supported prosthesis, please give us a call here at in-a-day Smile Dental Implant Centers. I'll be happy to talk to you about my background, my training, my specialty, and let you know how I can change your smile and improve your quality of life.